Hello and welcome back to day 4 of 30 Days to Better Hearing. It's Adam here from Alto Hearing. Thanks for joining me again. You're doing incredibly well on this journey, and today we're diving into something that's going to play a pivotal role in ensuring your hearing aids function optimally: essential daily care. These little devices are your gateway to clearer sounds and a reconnected life, but they do require a touch of daily attention to keep them at their best. So let's talk about cleaning first. It's pretty straightforward, but it is vital. Every day, your hearing aids are exposed to earwax, moisture, and even just dust in the air, all of which can impact their performance. A gentle wipe with a cloth should be part of your daily routine to keep them clean. For those tiny, hard-to-reach spots, a soft bristled brush is perfect for gently removing any debris. You normally get one of these brushes with your hearing aids. It's a simple step that goes a long way in maintaining clarity of sound. Now, moisture is not a friend to your hearing aids. To keep moisture at bay, make a nightly ritual to open the battery compartment of your hearing aids, allowing air to circulate freely. This is especially crucial if you live in a humid area. You might want to consider a dehumidifier designed specifically for hearing aids. Keeping them dry ensures your hearing aids remain in top condition. And then there's battery care, an aspect you really can't overlook. For those of you using hearing aids with traditional batteries, clean, dry hands are a must when changing them, and it's good practice to open the battery drawer overnight when the hearing aids are not in use. This not only helps with moisture, but also extends the life of your batteries. For anyone on the newer side of technology with rechargeable hearing aids, placing them in their charging dock each night becomes part of your routine anyway, ensuring they're ready for the next day. So that's it from me today. We'll get into more advanced cleaning routines further along in the course, but for now, keep up the great work and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5.